Tech, a project of DivaGeeks.tech. Welcome back. I'm Ibra, and today we will be talking about adding pixels, analytics, and scripts slash HTML codes to your pages. Okay, so when I talk about the adding a pixel like the Facebook pixels or the analytics or the script or the coding, this is just for lightweight work, right? So let's say, for instance, you wanted to add some custom CSS code. The only thing you have to do is click on this gear and then you would go up to custom code. From there, you can customize your head markup. You can use some custom CSS code, or you can customize the body markup. You can do that for a global custom code, or you can do it for the pages only. So the only thing you're going to do is just simply copy the code that you need and paste it right here in the one, and it will do the rest for you. So once you add it in, you'll click save, and it's just that simple. Now, if you want to do like the analytics code, like sometimes Google may ask you, for if you're doing like a light application or something, if you want to put a live, chat code from other companies or something like that, that's where you would go to do that. So again, the website settings, will gear, and then do your custom code. All right. So if you wanted to do the custom CSS code, that would be right here. And that's where you kind of, tweak the page if you know a little bit about code. If you want to tweak that, your color scheme or anything like this to where it's your custom code, you can put it in right there. For the custom body markup, it's the same deal. All right. And if you only wanted to use it for a specific page only, so like for instance, if I wanted to use some CSS code for a specific page, I would just only click it for this page only. Now, if I wanted to put it on the service page, I would literally have to go to that service page, click on that, and then go back inside of the settings button to do that again. All right. So then there's something else that we have as well. So I'll click out of there. There's no save. There's no need to save the changes because there was no changes made. If I wanted to put in an application, right, for like your API keys or anything like that. So there's no apps connected yet. But if I wanted to go ahead and put an application on there, I would just simply click this plus sign to add an application, such as your MailChimp, your MailerLite, Facebook Pixels, so forth and so on. Even your email server. So for instance, if someone is using, let's just say, let's just say HostGator for an example. If you have your domain email set up through there, you can actually connect it right here. And I'll show you guys how to do that a little bit later, but it's super simple. You would just simply click on the connect, do your SMTP host, put it all in there, use your email, your webmail password, and then to and from, and that's pretty simple. So if you have any questions about that, you can reach out to your hosting service right there. So anyway, if I wanted to add an application, again, I just click on that plus sign. And then if I wanted to connect the Facebook pixels, I would simply click connect, copy and paste the pixel ID and verify. And I would just save and verify right there. It's that simple, right? Okay. Also, personalizations. So for here, it says you can globally modify your content via personalization tags. So these are your tags: members first, last name. This is how it will look. You can always change that. So let's say if you're tagging someone to do like a personal video or email, that's what these tags are for. So those tags can come in handy. I suggest that you leave it as is because it is fully set up right out of the box to do exactly what you need. So again, in order to use your applications, to add an application, you just simply click on there. If you were going to use your MailChimp API keys, you of course log into your MailChimp, reveal your API keys, your test key and your main key. You enter that main key there. enable double opt-in, which will force double opt-ins for all contacts. And then you'll just simply click save and verify. That's it. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us at contact@dropdragon.tech. And thank you for listening. Have a good night.